Internet is full of videos telling you facts about your body, but most of them are not from authentic sources. But I will tell you 10 unreal facts from authentic sources about your body that will blow your mind. Let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Muhammad Jafar Saeed. Let me tell you mind blowing facts about you. Number 1. Your fingernails grow twice as quickly as your foot nails. Next, your pinky fingernail grows slower than the other nails. Number 3. Your body produces 1 liter saliva every day. Did you know if your all blood vessels are separated, they can wrap all the way around Earth 4 times? Number 5. Your left lung is smaller than your right one. Next, cornea is only part of your body that gets oxygen directly from air, not from your blood. Number 7. On average, women's hearts beat faster than the males, but I don't think this is same for the brain. Number 8. The teeth are only parts of your body that cannot heal themselves. Number 9. Onions produce chemicals syn propanethyl S oxide, irritant to your eyes, causes lacrimal glands to secrete tears. Did you know, world, one of the most powerful acid is the stomach acid with pH 1 that can dissolve even metals, but it cannot digest plastic. Number 11. 100 trillion microorganisms like bacteria and fungus live in your body for free. Number 12. Did you know women nose have 50% more sense neurons than males, giving them better sense of smell? Then why detective use dog for investigation? Number 13. You cannot see your taste buds directly. You can try it. Number 14. Congenital insensitivity to pain or CIP is a rare condition where you cannot feel pain. It seems firstly a blessing, but it actually a curse, because you don't feel even something is harming your body. Hence, it can cause even death, and you will not know about it. Number 15. Your tongue also have a print as your finger have, and it is unique also, so it can be used for sign of identification in future. Might be your child use their tongue print instead of fingerprints on their bank accounts. That's all. I hope video increased your knowledge and you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, then subscribe channel. Allah Hafiz.